Ito po, inspect ko lang yung mga discs na pinadala na niyo. Sorry, ngayon lang ako message at medyo marami tayong ginagawa kanina. So, ito yung mga discs. So, ito yung Wii. Okay. Ito yung switch. Meron kang arms, tsaka isang smash. Okay. Mismatch siya, no? Hindi siya US version yung cartridge, pero iba yung case. Arms. Okay. Then sa games mo naman, so medyo marami tayong gas-gas. So that is a problem. So hiwalay ko yung maraming gas-gas. So problem kasi yan. So dyan tayo nakabase ng value sa scratches niya. So itong Turtles SMG2. So this one is fairly clean naman. Medyo. So I'll put this on the left. Smash Brawl. Medyo malinis naman siya. Okay. Mancha lang ba yan? Okay. Mario Maker mo ng Wii U. So meron kang US tsaka isang Europe version. So ito may deep scratch. Yung Europe mo is may deep scratch. Wii U games naman, "3D World", okay. Minecraft, okay. Itong Most Wanted may deep scratches. Force Awakens, okay. MP10, yun, may deep scratch din siya. Okay, so dirt lang. Okay, good. Remix 1. So ito mayroong mga deep scratches. May planes na kasama na very heavily scratched. Spider-Man seems okay. May light scratches. Okay lang yan. Rayman Legends seems okay. Then merong Cars for Wii na medyo maraming gasgas. Actually maraming gasgas. Sonic 2020 and 2014 tsaka Splatoon. So, very particular kasi tayo sa scratches. Diyan nakasalalay yung value ng game. So, ito, maraming gas-gas. And, ano ba to? Sports. Ayan. Heavily scratched. Then, booklet ng anniversary. Mario Maker pala. Water damage. Anyway, this is water damage.